So this one's wanting us to find the number of units that must be produced in order to achieve maximum profit. It's not asking for the maximum itself. It's just asking for when or where will that maximum occur. So that's the x value. If it were asking for the what the maximum is, that would be the y value that goes with that x value. But so it won't be that much work that we had to do. The first thing that we had to do though is find the actual profit function. So that profit function is going to be given to us by the revenue minus the cost. So that's what I did here and got this function. Once I take the derivative and I set that derivative equal to 0 and solve for x, this is the critical x value. Whenever you have a maximum or minimum, that maximum or minimum is going to occur at either a critical x value or an endpoint. Well, this function didn't have endpoints. It didn't give us an endpoint. If it had endpoints, it would give it to us. But since we only got one critical x value, well, then this is where that maximum must occur at. So this is our answer.